So one of the best things you can do to keep your Birkenstocks living the longest is to seal the cork. So when you get a brand new pair, they are super shiny and sealed. Eventually that will wear off in certain areas, and sometimes you'll get a flex point crack like I get. So today I'm going to show you how to take off the old sealant, how to fill your flex points, and then I'm going to show you how to seal the cork the best way, okay? Today on my pair of keys I'm going to take 180 weight sandpaper and I'm going to gently go over the old sealant and try to get it off. So you'll just want to make it all smooth where you can so it will be much easier to apply the cork sealant. We use the Birkenstock cork sealer. We have it at both locations. It's $8 and this tube would last you a really long time. So you could probably do 50 pairs with this one jar. If you do have a cracked flex point like I do, you'll want to just go evenly over it. You don't want to dig it out. So I'm going to work on the flex point first because that's probably the biggest issue with this pair. When you open your cork life, it comes with a sponge. I don't like using the sponge because the sponge is bigger than the little area by the toes. So I always just take this off and use my finger. You can use an old toothbrush. You could use a Q-tip, like anything like that will work. I just like using my finger because I can get it into the crevice. Oh, crevice is better. So you just take a little bit. You're going to open the area that is hurt and you're going to just gently go over it and just let it seep into there, okay? And then you're just going to use your finger like a paintbrush and just cover it. So it kind of looks like Elmer's glue right now, and it will dry in about a half an hour also. So you just want to go along and do just the area that has cork. If you do get it on the actual sole, you can take a wet paper towel and just go along like that and clean it right off. So you're going to do the whole shoe and just keep rubbing it just like that. So another tip is thicker is not better. If you get too much sealant on, it'll take a really long time to dry and then it will also just kind of peel off. So there's a trick to finding the perfect thickness. So right now it looks dry, or it looks white and kind of sticky. You're just gonna let this air dry, or you can put it under a fan also. And I'd let it sit for about a half an hour.